Today, we're looking at a subtle but significant event that has ripples across the AI and developer communities. Claude, an AI system developed by Anthropic, recently had its source code unintentionally exposed through a map file in their NPM registry. Now, you might wonder why this technical detail matters if you're not a coder. Well, source code is essentially the blueprint of any software. When it becomes public, intentionally or not, it can reveal how the software works, its strengths, and its weaknesses. This can affect everything from security to innovation in AI. So, what exactly happened? Anthropic, the company behind Claude, publishes some of its software packages on NPM, a widely used repository for JavaScript code. Developers rely on it for managing software dependencies. In this case, a map file, which is typically used to help debug code, accidentally contained the full source code of Claude. This means that anyone with access to the NPM registry could download and inspect the AI's internal workings. Why is this a big deal? For starters, AI models like Claude are protected intellectual property. The source code includes proprietary algorithms, training techniques, and architectural details. If these details become public, it could lead to several consequences. Competitors might use this information to accelerate their own AI development, bypassing some of the time and research usually required. On the flip side, it also opens up security concerns. Bad actors could analyze the code to find vulnerabilities or ways to manipulate the AI's behavior. In the short term, this leak will likely trigger a swift response from Anthropic. They'll need to audit their code releases carefully, patch any vulnerabilities, and potentially update how they manage sensitive files in public repositories. For businesses and developers using Claude or similar AI technologies, this incident raises awareness about the risks of exposed source code. It underscores the importance of secure software supply chains. From a user perspective, while there's no immediate threat to your day-to-day interactions with AI tools, the leak could influence how these tools evolve and are maintained. Looking further ahead, this event highlights a growing tension in the AI industry, balancing openness with security. On one hand, open-source AI fosters innovation, collaboration, and transparency. On the other, companies want to protect their investments and ensure their AI models aren't exploited or misused. This incident could accelerate the development of better security practices around AI code sharing, including more sophisticated access controls and auditing mechanisms. Moreover, as AI systems become more complex and integrated into critical services, the stakes of such leaks rise. We might see more emphasis on secure AI development pipelines, methods to keep core AI intellectual property safe, while still enabling external scrutiny and improvement. Beyond the technical and business implications, there's a privacy angle to consider. If AI source code leaks enable manipulation of models, it could indirectly affect user privacy and trust. For example, if malicious actors find ways to bias or trick AI systems, it could impact the reliability of AI-driven services. To reflect on this, the Claude source code leak isn't a scandal in the traditional sense, but it's a wake-up call. It reminds us that as AI becomes more embedded in our lives, the infrastructure behind it, how code is managed, shared, and protected, matters deeply. The industry will need to adapt to protect both innovation and users' trust. In summary, while this leak is a technical event, its implications touch on job security for AI engineers, competitive dynamics in tech, privacy concerns, and the future evolution of AI development practices. It's a quietly significant moment that signals how the AI world is maturing and facing new challenges.